How to make money in real estate. Hi, my name is Darren Wright and I'm your real estate investor. How to make money in real estate. Now, there's many ways you can make money in real estate, whether you're wholesaling, whether you're flipping a project, doing a buy and hold. There's lots of different ways to make money in real estate. What I do is I buy a property, force appreciation, and we hold on to it. So you want to be looking for a cash flowing revenue property, or you can make it cash flow, even if it's not cash flowing now. And then you pair that with an investor. So you're not putting your own funds into it, you find an investor to do that. And the ways you can both make money on the real estate is you're getting a monthly distribution each month because you're cash flowing and making money. And you're also paying a mortgage. So you're paying a principal. So you're doing a principal pay down and you're making money on that also. And then also you're making money on appreciation. So each year, the value of that property goes up. Now, I specialize in apartment buildings and we force appreciation by increasing the rents each year. So these go up naturally by, we're under rent control. So when the Residential Tenancy Board says the rents are going up 3%, then we're increasing the value of the property as well. But if you're doing a single family home or a duplex or a threeplex or a fourplex, these are used to compare against the sales of other buildings which are the same. And as we know, history has shown that real estate goes up in value each year. Some years they go up better than others. So therefore you are appreciating. And the way you can force appreciation on those properties is by doing repairs, doing maintenance, doing upgrades. So you're making sure that you're getting the top value for that property. So these are the three main ways you can make money in real estate. Number one is cash flow. Number two is principal pay down. And number three is appreciation, whether it's forced or natural. So if you enjoy this content, follow us for more investor tips.